Hey, I'm Angie for Happy Healthy Vegan, and I'm back in my office for an unboxing. So our friends at Vegancuts have sent me some stuff to check out. Woo! So I will put the snack box aside and check that out with Ryan in a few. But before I do so, I'm gonna see what is in the February beauty box. So I was just looking at our YouTube page and it looks like it's been over a year since I last opened a Vegancuts Beauty Box, in this case a beauty bag. So it's been a while. I've done some makeup boxes, but the beauty box is different. First of all, the makeup box is only 4 times a year, but the beauty box is every month, and it can include things other than makeup. It can have makeup, it may not. You can have anything that has to do with beauty. So yeah, so this should be fun. This month's box supports Marge and friends at Spring Farm Sanctuary. I guess that's Marge. It's one of the cool new things that Vegancuts is doing now. They're donating some of the proceeds to various animal shelters. And it says, this beauty box highlights self-love from the inside out. That sounds great. So I'm not gonna read all the descriptions. I just wanna see what's in here. This feels different. I really couldn't tell you what's in here, and I can't give you an exhaustive review. I can only give you my honest opinion upon seeing it. Why does this smell so good? It smells like, it smells fruity. Let's try it out. It feels silky. Oh my God. The colors totally match my bracelet. That's so cute. All right, let's see what this scrunchie is all about. Oh, so I just happened to pick out, this is the bonus item. The bonus item is a SugarBearHair scrunchie. Break out your inner 90s girl and rock this adorable scrunchie. Well, I just so happen to be wearing my 90s fit oversized t-shirt today. Anyway, it's cute. I've never actually owned a scrunchie in the 90s. I was too cool for scrunchies, but I could definitely see me using this at yoga class. This is gonna come in handy. So I'm just gonna wear it, 90s style. What else is in here? Maybe I can figure out the source of the delicious smell of the scrunchie. So here is the second item. This is a women's multi from, oh, SugarBearHair. So these two things came together. Gotcha. Vegan gummies. This multivitamin is free of artificial sweeteners and flavors and is packed with omega-3, vitamin B12, vitamin C, and D2, all the things that people ask vegans where they get them. It's squishy, and this is where the smell of the hairband comes from. Really fruity. Oh my God, that's legit delicious. Let's take 1 or 2 a day, I wonder. 2, lucky me. These are really good. If Ryan wants one, I'll be allowed it. Sorry, it's a women's multi, so. Oh yeah, beauty from the inside out. There's the inside. So what else do we have? Item number 2, Brilliant Black Dental Floss. With bamboo charcoal. Biodegradable, vegan mint. Oh, look at this. This is the package here. So they're trying to avoid plastic, it seems like. I know you guys are just really wanting to see me floss, but I hope no one's getting triggered. No artificial coloring or sweeteners, no synthetic fragrances, vegan and cruelty free. Yeah, they use vegan candela wax for the wax. It actually felt kind of good. It makes me want to keep going. I feel so fresh. All right, cool. Would between the teeth be considered beauty from the inside, or do you think that's more outside? Somewhere in between. All right, item number 3. Yes. Wow, I've been really needing a new polish, and this color is super pretty. It looks perfect for spring. Let's see, Dr. Remedy. I feel like I may have tried this brand once before, but it was a color that didn't suit me as well. All right, so I took the fingernail polish off 1 fingernail so I can give this a try. Na na na. I really hope I'm giving you guys some value here. Oh my goodness. Anji B, 52-year-old beauty vlogger. So there we go. I mean, I could maybe use a second coat, but as you can see, it went on pretty well. It's got good coverage, and the smell is very nominal. I think I would recommend it, although this is, you know, my first 30 seconds enjoying it. All right, while my nail dries, let's see what it says in here. Doctor's Remedy Enriched Nail Polish and Relaxing Rose. This 10-free, wow, 10-free nail polish is enriched with garlic bulb extract, tea tree oil, wheat protein, and vitamin C and E. Well, that is pretty cool. Hopefully I don't smudge my nail, but I'm just too curious to see what else is in this bag to stop. It's this. It says Aesthera, and the next thing is written in prismatic ink. It's really pretty, but it's hard to read. Maybe it says Sunshine, Botanical Reboot Serum with Cannabis Sativa. All right, this I need to read about. Let's see what in the world is going on. This serum will plump and smooth your skin as well as protect from free radicals. I wonder what the cannabis sativa is for exactly. Super curious what it smells like. It doesn't smell like weed. It smells really fresh. It doesn't even smell planty per se. It's got a nice texture. I've gotten a lot of serums in the past that were just like a straight up oil. This is not that. This is more of a gel. Well, there you have it. This is just my first time trying it. So, you know, who knows? Maybe next time you see him on the show, I'll have a plumper, firmer face. All right, there's just one item left. Let's see what it is. Yes, chocolate. Well, let's see how that fits into a beauty box. Special treat for you, I'll say. Theo Chocolate Salted Chocolate Bar. Enjoy this snack box crossover as a special February gift from the Vegancuts team. Aww, I guess it was a Valentine's Day gift, but I was so busy in February I didn't get around to opening this till today, so I want to apologize to Vegancuts. You guys have been so patient with me. Okay, before I enjoy my chocolate bar, I feel like I need to make a confession. Vegancuts actually wrote me after our last snack box that we did. You know, we love your videos. They're done really professionally and they're really great. You're just not getting that much turnover with the promo code. So honestly, I thought they were gonna cut us off. I was so surprised that they sent us another box after that. So anyways, this is really delicious. Theo chocolates are so good. If you guys are interested in the Vegancuts beauty boxes like I had today, or the makeup boxes like I did a few months back, or the snack boxes, you can get $5 off and use our code happyhealthyvegan at vegancuts.com. And when you use our code, not only do you get a discount, but also it lets Vegancuts know that you heard about the boxes through us. So it lets them know that it's worth their time to send these out to me to try out. And you know, I do love trying these products, and I love letting you guys know about all the different vegan options there are on the market out there. I have never made any of these videos to make money. Like, I'm not trying to make money by opening products. I just want to share the love of the vegan products, and Vegancuts has been really nice to me over the years. They've sent me a lot of boxes of fun free stuff to try out for you guys. So I'd love to keep doing that for them. So I hope you enjoyed this. Let me know in the comments down below. Do you enjoy watching me try vegan products or doing unboxings? I really want to know. Like the video if you're into it. Share it with a friend that may be looking to learn more about vegan products as well. And I guess that's it. Until next time, keep it vegan and cruelty free.